In this video, we will talk about saving for the future, building an emergency fund and retirement savings, so make sure to watch the full video. Saving for the future is one of the most important financial habits you can develop. Without proper savings, unexpected expenses or retirement can lead to stress and financial struggles. An emergency fund acts as a safety net for sudden costs like medical bills or job loss, while retirement savings ensure financial security after you stop working. The earlier you start saving, the more your money grows through compound interest. By setting clear savings goals, automating contributions, and making smart financial decisions, you can build a stable future. Let's explore how to effectively save for emergencies and retirement with ease. 1. Why saving for the future matters. Securing financial stability. Saving money is essential for long-term financial security. Without savings, unexpected expenses or life changes can cause financial stress and debt. An emergency fund acts as a safety net for sudden costs like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss, while retirement savings ensure financial independence in later years. Without proper savings, people often rely on loans or credit cards, leading to financial instability. Whether you're planning for short-term needs or long-term retirement, consistent saving habits create financial peace of mind. Building a savings plan today helps secure your future and prevents financial hardships down the road. 2. Understanding the difference, emergency fund versus retirement savings. Many people confuse emergency funds with retirement savings, but they serve different purposes. An emergency fund is a readily accessible savings account meant to cover unexpected expenses, while retirement savings are long-term investments meant to support you after you stop working. Emergency funds should be in liquid accounts, such as high-yield savings accounts, so you can withdraw money easily when needed. Retirement savings, on the other hand, are often invested in accounts like 401ks or IRAs to grow over time. Understanding the difference between these two helps you allocate your money properly for short-term and long-term security. 3. How much should you save? Setting realistic savings goals. Determining how much to save depends on your lifestyle, income, and financial obligations. Experts recommend having at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in an emergency fund. However, if you have dependents or a variable income, a larger emergency fund may be necessary. For retirement, financial advisors suggest saving at least 15% of your income annually. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Setting clear savings goals ensures financial stability and prepares you for unexpected situations or future retirement needs without stress. 4. Building an emergency fund. Where to start? Creating an emergency fund may seem overwhelming, but starting small can make a big difference. Begin by setting aside a portion of your income each month, even if it's just $20 or $50. Look for ways to cut unnecessary expenses and redirect that money into your savings. Automating transfers to a separate savings account ensures consistency. Choose a high-yield savings account that offers better interest rates to maximize growth. Gradually increase your contributions as your income grows. Having an emergency fund gives you financial security and prevents the need to rely on credit cards or loans in tough situations. 5. Retirement savings. Why starting early is key. Time is the most powerful tool in retirement savings, thanks to compound interest. The earlier you start saving, the more your money grows over time. Even small contributions in your 20s can lead to significant growth by the time you retire. Delaying retirement savings means you'll have to contribute much more later to catch up. Many employers offer 401k plans with matching contributions, which is essentially free money. Take full advantage of it. If your employer doesn't offer a plan, consider an IRA or Roth IRA. Consistent contributions, even in small amounts, build a strong retirement fund over time. 6. Choosing the right retirement accounts, 401k, IRA, and more. Retirement savings come in different forms, and choosing the right account is crucial for maximizing growth. A 401k is an employer-sponsored plan that allows pre-tax contributions, reducing taxable income while growing tax-deferred. Some employers match contributions, effectively doubling your savings. Traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs are individual retirement accounts that offer different tax benefits. Traditional IRAs provide tax deductions now but are taxed upon withdrawal, while Roth IRAs allow tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Understanding these options helps you select the best savings plan for your needs, ensuring financial comfort when you retire. 7. Automating savings, the key to consistency. One of the best ways to ensure consistent saving is through automation. Setting up automatic transfers to your emergency fund and retirement accounts prevents the temptation to spend money elsewhere. Many employers allow automatic 401k deductions, making it easier to contribute without thinking about it. You can also set up recurring transfers to an IRA or high yield savings account. Automating savings removes the effort of manually transferring money and builds strong financial habits over time. When savings become a routine expense, you're more likely to reach your financial goals without struggling to set money aside. 8. Cutting expenses to boost savings. Smart money habits. Finding extra money to save doesn't always require earning more. Cutting unnecessary expenses can free up funds for your future. Review your monthly spending and identify areas where you can reduce costs, such as canceling unused subscriptions, eating out less, or switching to a lower-cost phone plan. Small changes, like brewing coffee at home or shopping during sales, can add up significantly over time. Redirecting these savings into your emergency fund or retirement account accelerates your progress. Developing mindful spending habits ensures that you maximize your income and prioritize financial security. 9. Adjusting savings goals over time. Staying on track. Your financial situation and goals will change over time, so it's important to review and adjust your savings strategy regularly. Life events like marriage, having children, or buying a home may require increasing your emergency fund. As your income grows, consider raising your retirement contributions to ensure a more comfortable future. Periodically check your savings plan to ensure you're on track with inflation, market changes, and your personal financial goals. Flexibility in your savings approach ensures you stay financially prepared for both expected and unexpected life changes. 10. The long-term benefits of saving, peace of mind and financial freedom. Saving for the future isn't just about financial security, it's about peace of mind. Knowing you have money set aside for emergencies prevents stress and allows you to handle unexpected expenses with confidence. A strong retirement fund ensures you can enjoy life after work without financial worries. Saving consistently allows you to take control of your financial future, avoid debt, and achieve long-term stability. The sooner you develop good saving habits, the easier it becomes to reach financial freedom. Prioritizing savings today leads to a stress-free and comfortable future. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.